Hello guys, and welcome to Everyday Growth channel. And in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Payoneer account. Now creating a Payoneer account means you want to receive currencies in different countries in the world, in dollars, in euros, pounds, whatever. You can do that using a Payoneer account. So if you're interested in getting a Payoneer account, ensure you watch this video till the very end. So guys, if you're just seeing the channel for the first time, ensure you subscribe, and kudos to everyone that has subscribed. Give this video a like, comment if you have any questions as we get into this video. Alright, so let me get started. The first thing you're going to do is to download the Payoneer app, and I'm going to show you the app. This is the app here. You can download the app using your Play Store or your App Store. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. You're going to see register or sign in. So if you've not signed in before, if you've not signed up before, you're going to click on register. So I'm just going to click on register here. So let's get started. So it says I own or represent a registered company. I'm an individual running my own business. So I'm just going to click on I'm an individual running my own business. So I'm just going to click that. And I'm going to click on next. So now I'm going to input my country. So I'm just going to type in Nigeria here. So you can input your own country wherever you're residing. Just input your country. Okay, and how would you describe your business? Online seller, small medium sized business, freelance agency, or service provider rather. So I'm just going to click on service provider here and click on next. And how would you like to use Payoneer to get paid by clients or freelance marketplace? To pay, second option, to pay my global contractors. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the first option, to get paid by clients. Since you want to get paid, right? So I'm just going to click on next and click on next. Okay, at this point now it's going to redirect you from your app to your site. Okay, so I'm just going to click on OK here. And guys, one thing that is very important is to ensure you have all your details prepared. So ensure you watch this video to the very end to know the information you need prepared before starting this whole process of creating a Payoneer account. Because when you log out and come in again, you have to start from the beginning. You have to restart it. Okay, so it's redirecting us to the site now, and this is what it's asking for. Yes, is my business is not registered, so I'm just going to input my details here: my first name, my last name, my email address, and I'm going to get back. Okay, and it's also very important to input the names you have on any identification card, or your driver license, your voting card, your voter's card. Ensure you input the same name you have on those documents. Okay, because they're going to ask for a form of identification later on. So ensure you put in your correct details. So after that, this is what you're going to see. This is them asking for your address. I'm a Nigerian, so I'm going to input Nigeria there. Input your street number and your phone number. Ensure you put the correct information, because you're going to be sent a code for this. So here you're going to be asked for your postal code depending on where you reside. So if you don't know your postal code, you can go to Google, type in where you live, and you're going to get your postal code. Okay, so I'm just going to input my number and get the code. And guys, if you've not subscribed, ensure you hit the subscribe button to support the channel me a little bit. Okay, love you guys and thank you. So this is the next section. It requires your password, a security question, and inputting your national identification document. Okay, so I'm just going to input a password I won't forget, a security question I won't forget in case I have to recover the account, and your national ID, anyone you have that goes in line with the name you inputted. All right, so after that, you're going to come to this section that requires you inputting your bank details. That is you selecting a working bank that is in your country of residence. Mine is Nigeria. Okay, so and you're going to input your bank account number too. So I'm just going to toggle on this box here and choose a working National Bank of Nigeria that I work with. All right, so yeah. And I'm gonna look for one of my banks here. Okay, I'm gonna go with Kuda Bank, and I'm gonna input my account details, my account number rather. And that is all, guys. That is all you have to do. We are done with number one, which is application, and number two, our document is in review. When they verify our documents, that is our national identification document, they're going to send us an email that we are good to go. Okay, this is how you can create a Payoneer account. Is simple. Just ensure you follow the instructions laid out in this video. You're also going to get a notification that you can start receiving payments in your email. So ensure you input a working email when creating a Payoneer account. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching and coming to the very end of this video. And I just showed you guys how to create a Payoneer account, and ensure one thing you should know that is to ensure that you have all your details prepared, so you avoid logging out and coming back in to start all over. And this will help in preventing you getting the notification of your account is blocked and all that. There are some situations when you're creating a Payoneer account, maybe you try logging in, you see that your account is blocked. So ensure you have all your details ready, so you don't have to go out and come back again to start all over. Okay, so shout out to all my new subscribers. If you've not subscribed, ensure you do subscribe, hit the like button, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.